Alright, we are looking at the Razer Blackshark V2 X headset, and we're doing an ear pad installation. Alright, just so you know what you're getting yourself into, we have a plastic face right here. And on the side there is a slot that goes all the way around. And that slot is for the back of the ear pad where we have this skirting, and the skirting slides into that slot, and then it ends up hugging onto the headphone like that. Alright, first things first is removing the ear pads. You're just going to take your 2 fingers and your thumb, pinch, pull, and roll that over, or pull that over. Pinch, pull, and pull that over. Peel it away. All good.
If this video is helping you out, Monty, the AHG dog, wants you to smash that like button and share it with a friend, because this is how he gets more biscuits. Don't forget that 60% of the time, it's a great idea every time to subscribe and hit those bell notifications and stay in the loop with all of our news, reviews, and how-tos.
Alright, on the original ear pads, you look on the back here, you see the skirting. If you had a brand new set of ear pads, what you would want to do is you would want to stretch them out like this along the whole sides, and then do one of these and one of these. And you do that for each one because you want to be able to fit it on here nice and easy. So now I just want to have a little lip on the side here, and that's because I want to fit that lip, whoops, right into that. Once that's in, I'm going to hold that with my thumb or my finger somehow, like that. And I'm just going to take my 2 fingers, go underneath the pad, lift up, and slot that skirting into the slot, like so. And then last part, just a little up. There we go. Once you've done that, you can go around checking that out. It's all in. If it wasn't in, you might have a little catch somewhere. You can use your fingernail and just do that. Or you can also just rotate the pad like that. Alright. Stretch the second one out. Going around, across. And then get that edge in there. Alright, up and in, and in. Ooh, little catch there. You want to make sure you hold down that other side of the pad while you're doing this, because as you are installing it, and the more it gets into the slot, the harder it will be to stretch it out into the other spot. And then that's when the other skirting tends to come out of place. But these ones are quite good because there's quite a bit of space on the back. And that is that. Any questions? Drop them down below.